Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find my ID on the Skype application. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the Skype application if you have it already on your PC. Of course, if you don't, all you need to do, just go and open any browser you are currently using in your PC, or whatever browser is working for you will be great. It could be like Opera, Brave, Google Chrome, Microsoft's Edge, Firefox, even Internet Explorer if it's working for you. So once you opened your browser, go to the URL section and all you need to do just type download Skype application and hit the enter button. Go to the first link and start downloading the Skype application. Of course, this will be pretty simple and easy. It will be like any other download. You must have been downloading something before in your PC, right? It will be like that, so it will not be hard. So once you download it in your PC, you will need to install it and open it. And once it's opened, they will ask you to log in into your accounts. And of course, if you don't have one, you'll have even the option of creating an account from there. And once you did one of those two options, which is logging in or creating your account, you'll find yourself here with this homepage or this main screen containing this welcome sentence with your name or your username. And as we said in the beginning of the video, we would like to find our ID on the Skype application. So of course, if you want to do that, simply we can just go to the top left corner and click at my profile picture. Once I click on that, I would like to select the profile or Skype profile. And here on my Skype name, I will find my ID. As you can see, that is my ID, and if I right click on it, or sorry, if I left click on it, I'll have the option of copy it, and if you want to send it to someone, maybe to invite you to a meeting or something like that. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching it. Goodbye.